Hello everyone, my name is Pranav. In this video, I will explain my banking system program and show how classes define different roles for objects. I will also explain abstraction and encapsulation, especially in the transfer transaction class. This is my account class. Its role is to store account data like name and balance, and it performs basic actions like deposit, withdraw and print. And this is my WithdrawTransaction class. Its role is only to handle withdrawal. It stores the account amount and transaction state, and it uses execute and rollback methods. And this is the deposit transaction class. Its role is to handle deposit transactions separately. And this is the transfer transaction class. Its role is to transfer money from one account to another. It uses only withdraw transaction object and only deposit transaction object initially. This shows the classes define different roles for objects. Each class has one clear responsibility. Now we are opening terminal. Building and running the code. Firstly, we choosing option 2 to deposit money. We deposit money and now here I entered 1000 rupees. And this print the result. This class plays the role of handling objects only, handling deposit only. And second step, we are choosing first step withdraw, and we are withdrawing 200, and here the transaction amount 200, showing status successful. This is a different class with a different role, and here we are choosing option 3 for transfer. $300 and amount 300, status successful. Transfer transaction object handles transfer from one account to another. Initially, it first perform withdrawal and then deposit. And choosing option 4 to print, and here my balance is 1500 and my friend balance is 800. And I am once more choosing option 1 for withdraw, and here I am withdrawing 5000 and here my balance is 1500, and here we see what the error comes. Here comes the error, withdraw failed, check balance. This demonstrates error handling in the transaction class. And we are quitting this by choosing option 6. Not option 6, option 5. Here the banking system closed. In this program, classes define different roles of the object. The account class manages account information and balance. The withdraw transaction classes handles withdrawal. The deposit transaction classes handles deposit. The transfer transaction classes handle transfer. Because each classes focus on one task, the system is more organized and easier to maintain. Now this is related to abstraction because the user only works with simple methods like execute and print. The user does not need to know all the internal details. For example, when transfer happens, the user only call execute on transfer transaction, but the internal logic of withdrawal, deposit and rollback is hidden. And encapsulation means hiding internal detail and exposing only necessary functionality. In the transfer transaction class, the internal objects like withdraw and deposit are private. Outside code cannot directly control them. The class itself manages them through execute and print methods. For an external perspective, we did not need to know or care that transfer transaction uses only objects initially. We only care that the transfer works correctly. This makes the class simpler and safer to use. To conclude my banking system, firstly this is my code. To conclude, my banking system uses different classes to define different objects' role. They support abstraction by hiding complex details behind simple methods, and it supports encapsulation by keeping internal logic private inside classes like transaction. And this all is my banking system. Thanks for watching.